Good morning, everyone. Today I'd like to start the new lesson, that is Snake Try. It's written by W. E. Ross. Let us discuss about the poet. W. E. Ross is a Canadian poet. He was born on June 14, 1894 and died on August 26, 1966. He is the modern poet of Canada. So he is an environmentalist. He appeals to us not to pursue and beat to death any harmless snakes or any other creature. They try to slither away. Why to need unnecessarily kill them? So interestingly, the snake makes water, green trees, foliage, and even brown sand. It is as is habit, what is called camouflage. So it is not the correct way to kill or chase an animal. This is one of the smallest poems. Here the poet's plea is to human beings to treat snakes in a kind manner. Humans generally tend to kill snakes to avoid being bitten. Okay. But the poet reveals that all snakes are not poisonous and all of them do not harm humans. Okay. Look at this. These are all non-poisonous snakes. Okay. Why is necessary to attack them? As they are non-poisonous. Okay. It's none of our business to kill them. Okay. So usually green snakes are non-poisonous. Okay. On seeing us human beings, they try to escape. They try to protect their lives. So that is why, human beings have the bad nature to to kill snakes or to hit the snake. They think that by killing a snake, they can protect their lives. It is the wrong perception. Okay, I mean all the snakes are not poisonous. Even though they are poisonous, we should not kill them. If we do not attack them, they may not attack us. So usually the green snake is usually quite harmless and non-poisonous. So because of fear, we try to pursue them, beat the snake to death. So mostly on seeing us, they try to slither away, gliding through water and hide somewhere reeds and find safety. Here in this lesson, here the snake tries to escape from the human being who comes with a stick following it. At the same time, the snake tries to curve in a thin and long body. So let us see, this snake is very beautiful and attractive. Okay, his shapes are so attractive. What is the need of killing? Here the poet says. Here, on seeing the human being, the snake tries to escape. At the same time, human being chases. And the snake slithers round and finally it vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Okay. On seeing the reeds, the human being cannot recognize, because the reeds color and snake's color are quite similar. By gliding through the waterway from the stroke, gradually the snake escapes. Here the poet wishes, what is the need of attacking it, as it is harmless? Okay, let him escape to water, into reeds without any hurt. Usually the small and green snakes are very even harmless to children. What is the need of killing? So the poet appeals us not to harm them for no reason. Here let us discuss the literary devices. You know, alliteration, the repetition of consonant sounds in two or more consecutive words in a line. Example, he is harmless. Here H sound is repeated. Huh? Okay. Next comes rhyme. Okay. Here this is the rhyme schemes. There are no rhyme schemes. So it is a it is a free verse. The lesson is a free verse having no rhyme schemes. Now let us discuss poetical device of personification. Okay. So how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. He glides through the waterway. Mostly he, him are there. So person's quality is referred here. So human quality. Persons are human being, human quality is referred here. So it is personification. Okay, one more device let us discuss. This is a new one to you. It's none other than transferred epithet. Here look at the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick. Here pursuing stick is a transferred epithet. Okay. Oh, what is transferred epithet? Okay. So it's a device with a noun refers to noun other than one which it is used. Here pursuing stick. Pursuing stick refers to the person, not refers to the stick. So adjective plus noun. So it is one of the important literary devices. What is the message of this lesson? This poem conveys the message that all creatures of nature need to be treated in a kind and sympathetic manner. Moreover, there are certain varieties of snakes that are not poisonous and hence they are harmless. So he pleads or requests people or human beings to treat snakes in a kind manner. Thank you for watching this video.